Good morning, guys. Sitting in the car. Nanny's visiting her friend. 3D wooden puzzle train locomotive from Hobbycraft. Cost me 99p. I wonder what their most popular design is. Because I used to seem to get a lot of trains. Trains and helicopters seem to be the ones I pick up most often. Because that could be misleading. That could be the ones that people have had bought for them and they didn't want, so they gave them away to charity shops.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.